You guys ready for today's adventure?
We're ready.
Alright. Let's get on out of here. I guess I'm going by myself. But anyways, today we are going to Lake Mead National Recreation area. Oh, there they are.
Wasn't my fault. No matter what anybody says. It was her, not me.
Okay guys, welcome to Lake Mead National Recreation area in Nevada. We're gonna go check it out.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
Well, that was pretty cool there, guys. Followed the historic path that the railroad took for all the materials to build Hoover Dam. And now we're going to take a drive up and actually see Hoover Dam. Is it? On a very busy December day, $10 to park, and all of this to see a dam. I must be out of my damn mind. Okay, we've arrived here at Hoover Dam. We're going to see the dam tour. Save all your damn questions to the end.
The lake figures are made of statuary bronze. The castings are over 30 feet tall, weigh over 4 tons, and one of the largest monumental
The bridge. Very high up here. Very high.
Windy?
No, it's not too bad, but are you videoing?
Yeah, videotaping you showing your brother. Okay guys, that's all there is to Hoover Dam, and we are going to get out of here. It's a little too crowded for our taste, especially for a national park. It's extremely crowded, even on a government shutdown. Doesn't seem to matter, but we could say that we saw it. It's pretty cool, despite the crowds and no parking, but